Modern advances in manufacturing and metalworking technology has revolutionized the interior design industry. Today, affordable and flexible don't need to be mutually exclusive for homeowners.
I think as an interior designer, we used to think that there were certain details inside a home that weren't in our jurisdiction or weren't our responsibility. And I would say air conditioning supplies probably falls in that category. With the new products that are available to us and the ability to adjust the sizing and the placement, the finish, the pattern, they're now one of the many details that the interior designers participate in. You used to think of an air conditioning supply as a defect in a ceiling design, an imperfection, something that was we wanted to look the other way or ignore. Now we're able to, with the luxury of finishes and patterns, incorporate them into our design.
You can usually date a home by certain elements, and I think the HVAC grills and returns and so forth have always been the same. Now we've been installing some of the Steelcrest, and we've noticed that it adds a design element that's totally unexpected.
The interior design market is looking for cost-effective products, which is driving the steel industry to innovate. Companies have begun to create lighter-grade steel for different purposes, as well as giving contractors and designers new custom applications.
Technology has improved so much with regard to the cutting and the fabrication that it enables the products to be higher quality for a lot less money. So you can put these types of products in your home and you can switch them as a builder from one design, if it's Tuscan, if it's contemporary. And I think we have to open up our thoughts to that because we can differentiate ourselves.
As metal cutting technology becomes more efficient and machines become faster and faster, the products will become more accessible to the common homeowner, and the prices will come down and they'll have more options as well. We have an older laser cutter, which is a CO2 machine, and then we also have a newer fiber optic machine, which actually is about 10 years older, and it actually ends up being about twice as fast as a machine, which, like I said, technology makes this product cheaper because we can cut it faster and more efficiently.
For customers, design and aesthetics have become just as important as function. Businesses and homeowners crave customizable products, so why shouldn't HVAC products fit their vision? With Steelcrest, design is king and doesn't take a back seat to engineering limitations.
Steelcrest is unique because we came from the HVAC industry, where most companies make these products to look pretty. First of all, we wanted to make the product so they worked correctly, so we have the science and the airflow behind it. Second to us was the fact that they look good. So not only do we have a product that looks good, but it functions the way it should, so your home heats and cools like it should. With older technology, these products used to be cast in cast steel, which is very costly to do molds. But with CAD technology and the new laser cutting technology, you're able to actually have designs on demand that our clients actually specify according to the architecture in the home or the commercial project. Say for instance, somebody gets a new wood floor and the wood floor company takes a duct opening and modifies it just because it's not a priority for them. Well, if a former 10 by 4 inch opening ends up being 9 inches by 4 inches, we can actually make a product that fits that with absolutely no problem at all and no batch charges or upfront fee. Not only are products made in the USA, but we actually try to source all of our materials from US steel mills as well. Steelcrest has superior products because we pay superior employees to do it right the first time.
Steelcrest knows with technological innovation, there is a huge need for new blood in the steel industry. Innovation only goes as far as the people who feel it, and the industry is growing every day.
We're really excited about what the future is going to bring in the metal cutting technology. As machines become faster and faster, the products are only going to become less expensive, which is going to allow us to get our products in more and more homes across the United States. The flexibility of being able to cut any design, any size, really allows us to cater to every person's taste and architectural style. Because the technology is becoming so much better, which is allowing us to lower the prices on these products, it's allowing these products to get in more homeowners' homes for a more reasonable price. And it's not only just for the elite and million-dollar homes these days.
As an interior designer, it's our responsibility to deal with every design element in the home. And we take for granted sometimes that you won't notice certain things, like you might not notice the door handle or the door stop or the air conditioning supply. But that's not true. When you combine all the details, you'll recognize and appreciate that the design was fully vetted, and you'll appreciate the designer.
As metal cutting technology advances even further in the future, our only limitation is going to be our creativity.
To learn more, contact us today.